So, do you want to see what's inside a General Electric 1982 video camera? Stay tuned. Alright, I got it partially taken apart. Flash for it. I don't know. Plastic. 2 points. Pull this board off. I bet you, let me see. Oh, what's in this right here is going to be a whole lot less than this one. That's the difference in technology. Look at that. Whoops. Whatever screws are visible, I'm taking out. I don't know what I need to take out, don't need to take out. Wires galore. Set that off to the side. Come over here. Whoops. Wrong ones. Let's get this out of my way. That'll be tin coated copper. Copper tape number 3 or 4. If it's even really copper. Could be just coated. Could be just coated. Gotta give me a set of smaller cutters for this small detailed stuff. Next on the list. We don't want to drop this piece. Ooh. Let's see. No. Minus the money bill. That's the yoke. Maybe that looks like copper. Maybe it's got some screws on there. I may open it up in a future video. Alright, we got a board. Not much on the back. Tons of wires on the front, which I'll trim that all down later. Nobody wants to watch that. I don't know what's underneath there. We have another board. Low grade, I would imagine. Don't really have nothing significant on it. Cool. Got some wire. Where's this? Got some more screws. This has a nice cast aluminum housing. That's nice. Little funky looking copper troidal. More wires to trim off. Definitely glad I ordered these longer bits. There we go. We got something on the back. Peel the tape off. Clean cast. Made in Japan. Lovely. We got a MOSFET. Power supply. Another screw. Another screw, but is it buried? I see it on the back side. Right there. There we go. There's one on the bottom. Let's try to separate. Come on, fall in. There we go. Get that low grade board off with the little switchies. Sweeties. That shred. More wires to trim off. There's our MOSFET. Oh. We got the power supply plugged in. Whoops. Clean sheet. Lovely. Now the components. The micro. Oh my goodness. I've never opened up so many strange things until I moved up here. Most of it didn't have a cord on it, right in a shred. But now I got the time, so why not? Oh, one right there. Oh, man, that hurts my wrist, but let's see. Looks like a brass set screw. Oh, yeah. And dress bucket. tie down here. Another one right there. Is there any more screws? I don't know. Let me just give it a little pokey pry. Oh goodness, I know I'm doing something wrong, but I've never done this before. Oh, right there. 2 screws on the front. It's been a long day of breaking stuff down. Plastic. My goodness. It just never ends. I wonder. What's hanging on to that? I don't know. But I see another screw, so let's pull it out. Remove some more stuff out of the way. Another screw. Hope everybody's doing alright. Staying cool from the blistering heat. It's been a little warm this summer. Just a little. Well, poopers. Need some more leverage. It's only plastic, it should just break right off. Get it? I got it now. Electric motor popped out. Nice. Oh yeah, he's on there. So let me remove this set screw. And that didn't do me no good. I see some more screws. That's that one. I need to get down here. Oh. Nope, can't get into that one. Go right here. There's another motor right there. Automatically spins the zoom in and out. Another motor right there. I wish I could tell you more about something like this, but I never owned. They were always too damn expensive when I was growing up. Jeez. We had a good old Polaroid. always helps to get all the screws out. That's cool. There's a motor with some brass on there. Wonder what's hanging on to it now. This metal piece. Alright, what are you hanging on to? I see no screws except for going into that, which I need to know what's holding on the housing. Probably just a clip. Now some wires. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see a screw running up here, so it must be underneath this piece. There she is. Both of them. I thought that screw was longer though. Right there. No, it pops it out. Okay. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a screw. Two of them. There's always one or two missing when you think you got them all. Go. Switch right there. Another, I got an IC chip. What looks to be brass, but I'm not sure if it is brass. It's brass. Never seen brass coating before, but. That's brass. And what's under this brass box? Another IC chip. Cool. 3 of them on here. MOSFET and some wires. We'll trim that up later. Plastic. Now the optical housing, which is feels like aluminum. Ooh, I wonder if that's brass or plastic. I don't know. It'd be nice to get this piece off. Well, that goes like that. Electric motor on the floor. I don't know why it's hanging on to it. Another piece of brass to clean it up. Ankle grinder would be nice right about now. But I got some good cutters. shred. It's got a C-clip holding on to it. I can't spin it this way. Nope. I might be able to get it with this screwdriver. I need something small, like a pick. Nope. But I do have something in my kit here. One second, peoples. Just keep my hands. Oh, I got it on the first try. Sweet. Now, can I get to that one? Still can't get to that one. Let's go on the back side. Go in this way. Leave a comment down below if you enjoy taking apart oddball things. Don't see many camcorders. Something different than the usual. The everyday. Oh, the everyday stuff you see on YouTube. That's a whole bunch of stuff to break down. Let's see here. What's underneath there? I'm curious now. That's the shutter. Yeah, cool. Oh, there's the shutter pieces. Is that brass underneath there, or is that part of that metal? It's probably part of that metal. Well, more tiny screws. That's what, oh, there we go. Yeah, metal. Wonder what this is, plastic. I don't know. Now I could get to that screw, which I don't think I really, no, I already got that. Well, there's another eye for the collection. Just about done. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Man, it's in there. Oh lordy. Oh, we got it. Oh, jeez almighty. What I would need for this type of system is a thicker, so you can grab onto it with your hands. When you have to grab that small down, to me it just seems like you lose mobility when you already have a hand problem. Oh man. Ah. You know. You grab onto that, it just seems like it's just, I don't know. Maybe a new smaller drill is what I should get next. There we go. Ready. Looks like copper to me. Aluminum. Good thing I need watch hours. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it very much. Oopsie. This is too fat. Oh man. Need some more lighting too. I know that. Something closer. Oh. It's always something. At least it's not hot outside. Oh, excuse me. It's not hot in here. It's hot outside. Whew. Humid. Muggy. Bugs. Come on, fingers. I wonder if a ring light would be enough for me to see without drowning out the videos. Oh, oh, oh. Is that brass? It sure is. At least it looks like it's brass. I'm sure it'd be there's some more screws in that, but I'm not going to bore you with all that. More screws there. It's just more breaking down the lens, which we keep the lenses. It's a scorpion metal thing. Yeah, I'd have to break all that down to get clean aluminum, but I'll throw it right in breakage. But yeah, that's cool. Well, thank you for making it this far in my video. Hit the like up, hit the thumbs up button, hit the thumbs down button. It don't matter. Share me out if you can, and ring that bell for more. God bless.